Good morning, it's Graham Bibby on the 17th of July 2015, coming to you with this week's market news and this week's what we call Camtasia. Camtasia is a video of my screen. And what a difference a week makes. Sorry there. As you know, the market's been very jittery over Greece and the huge sell-off that happened in China. But for me, the trend is always my friend. I follow the stock trends. Good job I didn't panic out, as a few people were suggesting was the way to go, because the markets have been recovering very nicely this week, and our insider club portfolios have gone on to new recent highs, and it's fantastic. And today there's a myriad of buy signals. We've got no less than 5 top buy signals, and we've got some other minor buy signals for new clients who don't have certain stocks. So first of all, let me start off with the Russell 2000. This is the broader, more mid-cap type stocks. You can see here on the right where my arrow's pointing, this was towards the end of June. Sadly, at the end of June, virtually where we were doing our valuations, the market has sold off the most. Really disappointing, because for me, being a bit selfish here, this is where my performance figures come in, and we had the dip. The market itself now has risen back sharply. It's gone back back above support levels. This last support level here at 1225 held, and now we've gone above the 1250 level. And the Dow Jones is now marginally in positive territory for the year. Towards the year end, it was here. It started the year up here, so it was in negative territory, and our insider club portfolios had achieved circa 10% return for this year, which is phenomenal, given that the broader US averages were in minus. But again, we've recovered above this support level, so that's looking a lot better than it was just over a week ago. S&P 500 again, ended last year here, was in negative territory here. Now we're slightly in positive territory, and this significant recovery last week. We do have overhead resistance here, which would be great if we broke. So watching that very, very closely. Nasdaq, which was in positive territory for the year, even though it was here towards the end of last month, starting the year over here, and now that's recovered, and that's at its June high. Now we need to see if it breaks through that. It could be a pullback and then some kind of recovery. I just want to stick Facebook in there, because you will recall we were sold Facebook around here. We've got this arrow pointing at the moment because we broke down below support levels. I was very sad to sell Facebook, because I'm a big believer in the marketing revenue that's going on for Facebook, and Facebook getting very seriously into the corporate market and running your business through Facebook, and even trying to convince people that you don't need a website anymore, you just use Facebook. I went to a very good internet seminar recently, and the power of Facebook looks really, really significant. Anyway, we then reversed into a new uptrend, which was really kind of signaled here. And I said to people, look, I have no ego in this. Just because I got out to protect you, because there's signs of a downtrend. If it reverses, I'll be back in this stock before you know it. And the buy signal came just around the 80 level, and that is 6 weeks ago, and now it's 90.85. So that is 11% gain in just 6 weeks. So it's fantastic, and this just shows you the power of the methodology that I'm running, which is to do with protection from the downside during market difficulties, corrections, worries, downtrends, whatever you like to call it. And then we get back in. I have no ego to protect, saying, oh, I came out, I can't go back in, or I just got in, I can't come out. This is a methodology that reduces the downside risk and maximizes the upside risk. So Graham Bibby here saying it's a much better, sunnier day today. It's the 17th of July 2015, and I'm looking forward to seeing a much better week next week, and the second half of this year is when I think we're really going to knock in some really positive figures. And I'm still out there looking for the possibility that this year will end up being one of my best years for returns. So if you've got any more money out there, I know I keep telling you this, and I'm just showing you the evidence, add to your portfolios now. I think the ride's going to be very strong. If you're not in, or you know someone who's not in, send them a copy of this link and tell them to join the Insiders Club. So Graham Bibby, 17th of July 2015, saying the weekend's coming. Have a fantastic, relaxed weekend, knowing that I, Graham Bibby, are watching your stocks every day. Bye-bye.